guys, we are playing more Minecraft, but not today, but we are playing Minecraft. But last year I say try my server at this server, but I closed the thing, but I was closed. Okay guys, so guys, you can try my server, but you can, but I can't close it. So guys, I showing how to make custom recipe, guys, of Minecraft. What just happened? So guys, you see what right here? You see? But any block, if you like to craft mason, look at this, guys. I like it, but dragon breath. Wait, what's this? Sugar? What's that? Oh, that's for 1.19 version. But if you can pick version, but I'm not doing bedrock one. I don't know. So be doing Java one. Oh, I think I should do. I'll go put this right here. Go add gold ingot. Gold ingot, one gold. Turn that on, and I think we're called Tom. I'm not good typing. Off on dying recipe. So guys, only 81 make on. First, no, in not pressing this one, only press that one. Now do you have it? You see, guys. Now next one, what should we make? Oh, I've gone out. I'll go add 4 here, 1 go down, and this card enchant did golden apple recipe, but not yet. You know, dude, after this, J and spell chest and go push this button. Here we go, guys. We have it. You see? So guys, I need close Google. There you go. So guys, you see I'm here, but I need to get a new folder. So go to here, get that one, and now we have it now. Now we need to put this in here. Not yet. Put this in here and then close it. And the pack, read this. What's happening with my mouse, bruh? So go in here, Minecraft Java, each and only 1.18 version. Now you see, so guys, you know helpful for me. Press a right button and subscribe, and now to play the server, but not today. Maybe tomorrow, maybe put my server on Saturday and Sunday. Maybe maybe guys. And if we build house together, maybe on Star Server, maybe guys. On Saturday. I don't have school. I don't have school on Saturday, Sunday. Okay, guys. So, guys, I will make more video if I make. Here you go. Wait. That's fishing you like on. The cook with. And not yet, we're not done. Items. Cool, I'm gonna copy. And then you see this. Open this and paste. You see. And this is done and create. Oh my god, I forgot to turn it on. Oh well. What I'm doing. Sorry for that, guys. So guys, brand soon is better than carousel again. But do you know I have make what spill if you like? Well, before I have I'm using notepad text, right? Typing, right guys? Then I'm using this app. This best one. Okay. So guys, I think I don't know how to use the app. Do this equal this. Sip. So guys, on Custom Apple, I'm was right.